Hello and welcome to Scriptcase by Jamie. This is the channel here where we learn about Scriptcase, what's new, what's coming, what's not, how to do, as well as a few other topics that will be coming along the line. But for now, well, today I just wanted to have a little chat. It's been going very well with the membership. Thank you very much, members, for joining. I do apologize for those that joined initially that did not maybe receive their links straight away. There were some, well, Zapier just didn't work as well as half as good as Pabbly did. Pabbly was really cool. So Pabbly works beautifully, and that is now all working as set up perfectly now for you guys to, well, of course, receive your login credentials within a shorter amount of time now, because I did also have a bit of a length there for you to receive those details. Now, what I wanted to talk about today was actually the Q&A session that we had on Friday, because that was really good. And if you missed out on that, then I'm sorry, guys, but you really missed out on a little piece of very important information there. Yes, I got my words tongue-tied there because it's a little exciting, you see, because it's also something I have been after or wanting for a very long time. I wanted to create this video today and share the news with you in case you missed it on Friday. So there is a new menu system coming. Yes, there is a new menu system coming, meaning we will be rid of this horrible old Scriptcase menu. Gone. Thank you. Thank you, Scriptcase. So hopefully that will be arriving in the next few weeks. And of course, we're still waiting on the official news from Scriptcase, because that is just something I heard a few weeks ago. I have also already seen what it looks like, not the development side of it, but I have seen the end result, and the end result looks very, very nice. Now, some of you may be screaming yes, and some of you may be saying, well, it's about bloody time, because yes, it is about time. I've been using Scriptcase for so long already, and it is one of the main applications I have been screaming about since maybe the first few months of using Scriptcase. So yes, I am very excited that we will soon be having a new menu system coming to Scriptcase. And as I said, some of you may be saying it's about time. And yes, it is about time. But these processes do take a long time. So I would like to explain that to you guys in case some of you think, well, Scriptcase just doesn't do what their clients want or whatever it is. And yes, I know it says official reseller and trainer and consultant and developer and yeah, blah, blah. But I started working for Scriptcase and creating the videos for Scriptcase because I wanted to actually help them. It's not something I would have typically done because it was not in my price range or within, yes. And I just also wanted everyone to also learn from, and I also wanted to learn from. And of course, that's what's happened over the years. We've all learned from each other, thankfully, and that's what we all wanted. So we've all gained from that, and it's been a great journey. Now, there's nothing saying there that I'm leaving Scriptcase because there are no plans for that one. Actually, I can look forward to a long relationship with Scriptcase. Of course, official reseller. Why not? But at the same time, it doesn't mean that here on this channel, I will be blowing the horns for Scriptcase all the time, as maybe you have realized watching one or two of the videos. If there is something wrong, I will quite happily, openly say it because it's what we are all thinking. It's how it is. It's not, there is no point in beating around the bush or putting it polite as I have to within these Scriptcase videos. Here I can really blow it up if need be, and of course maybe get some solutions a little faster, which would be really cool for some of us. And in general, I have to say, the reason why this menu system has taken so long is simply for the fact that the developers in Scriptcase want what we develop to be stable and secure and functional and, well, amazing. They don't want us to be creating platforms that are not going to work. Okay, so that's why this menu system has taken so long. So the developers, from what I've heard, the developers over in Scriptcase, they've been working tirelessly on this one. So great for you guys. I'm really happy that we have something really cool to look forward to now. And from what I hear, it will only be one application, which will be, I'm curious. I'm very curious how or what that is going to be like. So it's going to be great. So I'm sure that is something for everyone to be excited for. Now, on that topic a little further, of course, the guys over in Scriptcase, they developed this menu and we should have it functional. Now, in the old days, as things come, and as we know, it is with every single platform pretty much and every single device we buy, the users are essentially the test puppets. Now, I don't feel that is essentially the way with Scriptcase, thankfully. And of course, there are one or two naggly bits and pieces. It's a massive platform. And as you see, when you open Scriptcase the first time, it may look easy, but then when you start entering into those applications and start to develop or try to develop what you are imagining, in some cases, it is not so easy. And of course, there is a lot more to it. There are many features, many options, and many possibilities. You have the macros, you have a whole world of content there. It is crazy. It really is crazy. But at the same time, I'm hoping that on this channel, I will be able to make it a little easier for you. So upcoming next, you will be having, or I am actually going to start working now on the new little training project for you guys here on this channel. And of course, that project will only be available to my members, I'm afraid. So if you want to be able to access that, then you can do that. Now, I haven't fully planned out this project yet. And as I said, I want to go over many other topics on this channel. So of course, I will be planning that here also with you guys. So I hope you tune in and check that out. And of course, if you are interested in more little videos like this, then let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to create the news video every so often, and we can check out some other techie geeky news or even other code news and what's new in Scriptcase. And of course, we can even have a look at other topics too that are related, ideally. Okay, and of course I'll be happy to do that. It'll be a bit of fun, and we can see, well, whether they're good or not. So one of those topics on my mind lately is for sure ChatGPT, because yeah, the world is blowing that one up like it's full-blown AI. I guess they do not really know what machine learning is, but that's okay. For now, let's call it a day. Thank you very much for checking out Scriptcase by Jamie. I hope you tune in for the learning videos that I have coming up, as well as check out the website, ScriptcaseByJamie.com, where you can learn more about Scriptcase, as well as hopefully other topics, because we have their knowledge bases on PHP, MySQL, and the JavaScript one should be coming soon. And there, of course, you will be learning more. Oh, and one more thing. And if by chance you are interested in having the Scriptcase knowledge base in different languages, then let me know, because that is something I have been looking at, especially for my German colleagues over there in Germany. And well, I think maybe it would be good to have it in German, Spanish, Italian, and so forth. And well, so it would also be easier for you in your own language, not just Scriptcase, but the information. Okay, so that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and until the next one.